Hey, and welcome to another custom intro tutorial. This time we'll be doing the Lionsgate Horror intro, as you can see it here. What we'll need: the prepared template files. Download them as a zip file from the link below. Blender. You can get this from the blender.org site. I'll be working with the newest version 2.57b, but any version should work. Adobe After Effects is essential to complete this tutorial. You'll need After Effects CS4 or higher to open the template files. Now, after you've downloaded the Lionsgate Horror zip folder from the link in the description, right-click it, then select Extract All and extract it. Open this folder. This will be our working folder for this project. Now you can choose between two different Blender templates. One of them looks like this and has one title, and the other one looks like this and has two titles. I'll be showing you how to do it with this two-lined version. Now press the Tab key, then backspace this text out and insert your desired title, leaving out 2 spaces for every E in your name. Then press Tab again. Now, because the text is doubled for the 3D effect, right-click the text in the back, then press Tab, backspace this out, and insert the same title as you did just before, also leaving out 2 spaces for every E. Then press Tab again. Now you will have to drag an E into position where you left out the spaces. Right-click it, and then left-click and drag the red arrows so that it fits into the space. If you need any more E's, there are spare E's here on the side. If you don't need any E's, you can left-click the red arrow and drag them out to the side. Now you'll have to do the same for the small title. Right-click it, press Tab, then change it to your desired subtitle, also leaving out 2 spaces for any E's. Press Tab again, then right-click the 3D text, press Tab, and change it to the same text. Press Tab again. Then right-click the E's, drag them into position if you need them, or drag them out to the side if you don't need them. Now this looks great, but there is the possibility that your text up here does not fit into the black rectangle. If this is the case, click the annotation where you can watch a short tutorial on how to resize your title. If it does fit and everything looks good, click Animation. Now, after you've got your title, go ahead and open up After Effects. Now, if you followed everything correctly up until now, your screen should look like this. Go ahead and click Composition, then select Add to Render Queue. Here you'll have to click on the lossless link, choose Format Options, and I would recommend using the DivX codec for this. Click OK. Make sure you check Audio Output down here. Click OK. Then choose a location to save your file, and click Render. Your file will now render. Depending on your computer's CPU, this might take a few minutes to perhaps 1 hour, and then you're done. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and check out my other tutorial videos, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.